This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch. Raise the hood and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Peel back the protective cover, unscrew the nut, and disconnect the battery positive cable from the starter motor terminal. Follow the wiring harness from the starter to the solenoid electrical connector. Disconnect the electrical connector. Slide the connector off of the retaining clip by first lifting the lock tab, then sliding it off. Remove the starter motor mounting bolts. Guide the starter out of the engine. Note, on manual transmission models, there may be a bracket that needs to be unbolted and repositioned to allow for starter motor removal. Install the starter onto the bracket, feeding the solenoid connector up through the cavity. Install the upper and lower starter mounting bolts, screwing them in by hand as far as you can. Tighten the starter motor mounting bolts securely. Connect the positive cable to the solenoid, screw on the nut, then tighten it securely. Secure the protective boot over the positive cable and nut. Attach the solenoid connector lead onto the bracket, then connect the electrical connector. Lower the car to the ground. Remove the rear tire chocks. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.